Are you excited that travel season has finally arrived and outside is finally starting to open back up? Because I am. Avery Skipalis here with Women's Outdoor News. And if you're considering traveling with firearms in your privately owned vehicle, which includes cars, trucks, motorcycles, and RVs, you may want to watch this video. Oh, and be sure to stick around to the end of this video because I'll be dropping a skip tip for you. And this is going to be the last video in our series on traveling with firearms, so if you haven't checked out the other ones, make sure that you do that. We're going to link them below. Let's go ahead and kick this video off strong. Have you ever heard of the Firearm Owners Protection Act? Per Federal Law 18 U.S. Code 926 Alpha, every U.S. citizen can legally transport firearms across state lines, as long as you can legally possess firearms in the state that you're originating and your final destination. There's a few other things that I want you to be aware of as well. 1. The firearm must be unloaded and stored out of reach. That means not in your glove box, so you may want to consider storing it in your trunk. 2. You must comply with all magazine and/or ammo restrictions at your destination. Again, this applies to all U.S. citizens who can legally possess firearms in their originating and their destination state. If you possess a concealed carry license and the states that you're traveling to and through have reciprocity with your state, then you can carry your firearm on your body and it may be loaded as well. Traveling with firearms by POV is not impossible. It just requires a little bit of forward planning and research. I love traveling because I'm able to create memories with my family that I will have my entire life, and it's that much better when you're able to do it without sacrificing safety. You don't want to put yourself in a situation where you're on a back road, no signal, and you don't have any means to protect yourself or your family. Now let's get to this skip tip. Consider purchasing a small safe that can be placed in your vehicle. Secure it to your vehicle using a tether anchor and a security cable. This keeps someone from being able to break into your vehicle and steal your firearm. And in turn, it's going to save you time, money, and the headache of having to deal with a stolen firearm. I love using small Vault-Tec safes for this. We hope you enjoyed this series on traveling with firearms, whether it be by plane, train, POV, or bus. As always, we would love to hear your thoughts. This video is sponsored by GLOCK and brought to you by Women's Outdoor News.